just won it Friday. Today's Monday. We already got it at the crib. Shout out to my guy. Look at my dog. He already know we got a new car to work on. Right, Cash? Got my mechanic here. Tell me what we got to change. What we got to change? You know what I'm saying? My mechanic is changing everything. Yeah, he's checking it out. I got my inspector right here. We're going to see what we got to change. See, we got to change this radiator support. Radiators, fans is all busted. We already ordered that. I'm going to pull the frame out. I already ordered the headlights, both fenders, the bumper, the hood. Everything's on the way. You see the old hood? Got my helper with me. We're going to have this done fast. Come on, man. You see, got the fire interior. Peanut butter guts. The airbag's looking crazy, though. I'm going to start taking off the radiator support. So I can start taking off the fenders. I'm going to take off everything. Let's start with the radiator support. Always keep a little box. You know what I'm saying? Throw the screws in so you don't start losing everything. This is the hidden damage that y'all don't see in auctions. You see the back? Crushed all the pulleys, gotta change the pulleys. Broke the airflow sensor. Come on, man, what I told you. Look at everything's off, whole front is off. I told you, first day here and everything's already off. Come on, you see I play no games, man. Come pick up my parts ASAP. Once the car comes, I cash out on the parts and we had this done quick. Aftermarket. See the vibes, man. Come pick up the parts, man. Got every light on the dashboard, look like a Christmas tree. But watch when I'm finished. So now I got to start pulling out the frame. And I got the measuring tool right here. So we're gonna get it right. Come on, you see the vibes. It's only been a few days. And I'm almost finished. Everything lining up good. And this is aftermarket too. No crazy gaps. Aftermarket. See the vibes. Come on, you see the vibes, man. I just gotta throw the grills on. I'm about to take this into the paint booth. Get these painted too so I can slap those on. And this joint is good to go. Look at that. About to put the new one on right now. See the new ones in the back. About to put that on. I don't play no games, man. Sunday morning. Got the old windshield right there. I got the new one on. Yeah, talk about confusion. Look at how it gets. If you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna be looking at this lost. See the Jeep is done. I'm about to change the rotors and the brakes all around. We're gonna be good. You see the vibes. Once you fix the car, you take it, get that wheel alignment, make sure you get right. No pulling to the side, none of that. How much it costs to fill it up? Damn, let me make sure I don't got a hole in my gas tank. Gotta get that exhaust and the tints. That's the starter kit for the Mopars. Getting these tinted windows done, you know the vibes. Vibes, man. I got the carbon fiber steering wheel. About to throw that on with the cashed out. I got the regular Jeep jump. About to put that in. Alright, so first thing we're gonna start, we're gonna take off the battery while we do this because we messing with the airbags and the electronics. It's a number 10 wrench. I already loosened it, but it's where we starting. Then we're gonna jump on the airbag. Pop that side out on the other side. And the airbag's gonna come out. That's the hardest part. You see the vibes, man, out with the old and with the new. Everything drives A1, man. You get a lot of people saying salvage cars will never drive the same, this, that, and the third. You know what I'm saying? People just be talking and talk, man. You know I gotta get that. Feel me? You hear that exhaust, man? It's only a 5.7. Imagine I went track hawk on them. See the vibes, man. .7 V8 got it sounding like a SRT out here. Get into that paint too. The blend is on point. None of that non-mancha paint. Through the white on the calipers. See what's going on. Whenever I do a rebuild, I always keep a folder, keeping everything. I need this for the salvage exam as well. You know, everything. How much I paid for the Jeep, 5,600, the parts. You know, eBay parts came out to 1,800. The front bumper kit and the hood came out to 1,500 aftermarket. That was this right here. With the hood, that was good. LKQ, you know. I always keep the photos of the before and afters. So yeah, that's what I paid for the Jeep, 5,600. Y'all seen the receipt, and the parts, 4,700. So I'm all in at 10.3. Whether I'm keeping it or selling it, I already know where's my profit at. You know what I'm saying? These Jeeps are going for, with the same rebuild title, similar miles, going for like early 20s. So anything is a profit for me, because 10.3, that's with the Jeep and fixing it. That's not bad. So yeah, you see what the Jeep looked like when I got it from the auction, and you see what it looked like now. Shout out to my helper, helped me build the whole truck. Here, good boy. Stay tuned for more builds, you heard?